MPP camp.
What
MPP camp.
Persona tie we mami. Me ame bra no. Tie we mami sisi ameba.
Ya obia who say the life no affecting every sphere of Ghana. The beer obia nya no faso. Politicians nya no faso. Businessmen nya no faso. Enkola omuye nyanka nya no faso. Enkola omunye ndaso wi ase.
Right, me ba chow. I want to cast as
yes, we are 2022. Every year biano. Me ye friend saying me ye
party.
Time with the youth.
Okay.
2002 that me invited on our Agyapong about function be. Honorable Agyapong was the main speaker for the program. And I mean introduce you.
Okay.
As me mother parliament for me actually said me declare support about Honorable Agyapong. That's not the reason. MPP, we must succeed at all costs. We have to come together as one people. Forget about what will happen tomorrow. Who say the MPP is the party for young people. 2028 election, it will be a done deal for us. And that's why I may say, Obia party no party ni no. Sorry, coming back party no. Sorry, MOBM and Muabem.
I was saying, Sabre, the old when you trim our NPP among your Kulima hits no other Sujina Mood and Dindi pass. I say, why and the Tita for a door, so why and I declare why and I supporting where I win me idea. Air coso our party now way and our honorable or Trebefi, Yahweh MP, Edema New Japan South, Atre in Semu Atre near air coso party or no crowd, you know, anyone if you say, Sabre, I say party no any aspirants. Obia kwa forms no ansa na obey aspirant na this wafa forms no na wa fill forms no awie ediako ansa na wa fro ho se wo ye aspirant afeisa ho ye na ekoso e wo NPP amonyekun mo dwen ho kra wonte ase no honorable Okyere fi se we declare the support e de ma honorable Ken Akompreko Agyapong na e wase wo kire se wotonsa e de frɛ honorable Ken Akompreko Agyapong ama no bepie mu e wo the constituency ho mo beboa ne ye pa abra na woko election no hwesa abre no hu nyema papa ya ewo papa ni mu a enti papa ni eyi ni ti se opeso ye mampani no se ene mintimi enka hye wo se meba na mbeboa me nwie na eku esi na nusu no wotimi kokodi mu nkunim enti wo mu a kasa wo Akyere ni no se won de wonte ye kora na ebom ne nsu ade hunu ene ensam ya waka ade fa honorable Ken Akompreko Agyapong ho ne de ene saa ene wo kan ensam ni nyina wo no ane kan ya ba kokura ni wa wo beka se onu no ho se wo kan ni nyina ye ensam pa wakaye edifa honorable Ken Akompreko Agyapong one bono hene ene grantee interview no say ene oka ansam no isify
anya support amu leaders and mpanyifo no motrama Kennedy ne ba umia na masa kitikiti edipin
party ni ebie nomination abe ne nansape edi party no bie nomination obi akọ picket form no oni ba ko nya aspirant o ngofo bebre ni mo o picket form awe aspirant
o fali wia
it will be a aspirant to part with him. And the DNA, when Matthew Micheal, when me ho, we me ho. Political party here, me political godfather, they be your catcher. Me say, oka, be a, or come here, ever gunning that, or say politics. Me say, a game of positive numbers. And yep, just numbers.
Okay.
A game of the positive numbers.
And to because of politics, a game of numbers.
Again, numbers. Because that one the numbers, you know, how we do it, you ho.
Some
I'm to about the mount. So the positive numbers no any here. So game of positive numbers. Any here. And to me, maximum me can say, how we can build our own party called New Patriotic Party. Party are your tradition. E bi ni Ghana ha. Yepe. When yepe your tradition. And yepe ne ya say you want to bo mine on the money see. We should not allow people to deceive us.
And the camp be na wo.
Me MPP camp.
Persona tie we mami. Me ame bra no. Tie we mami sisi ameba.
Ya obia who say the life no affecting every sphere of Ghana. The beer obia nya no faso. Politicians nya no faso. Businessmen nya no faso. Enkola omuye nyanka nya no faso. Enkola omunye ndaso wi ase.
Right, me ba chow. I want to cast as
yes, we are 2022. 2022 when
COVID,
COVID time na yeah we go for every year biano me yeah friend saying me yeah
party
time with the youth.
Okay.
Me yeah time with a political leader like for the youth. My friend is student and youth assembly. This year, America, for the first time this year, you made a 3-day camp residential.
Wow.
For every year, behind 1 day. In the 2002, I mean, invited on our Agyapong about function. And Honorable Agyapong was the main speaker for the program. And I mean, introduce you.
Okay.
As me Parliament for me actually said, me declare support of my Honorable Agyapong. That's not the reason. At that time, no.
2022. Why I didn't tell me confess that.
Well, and I make say, but me the day and hear me papa as some way. So, I drink politics. And never me in it be back. You fight your head. In the game of politics, me say a game of positive numbers. Me support MPP. New party. In this case, well, come on, me no bonity. I have to go like that.
Yeah.
For the sake of come on, me no bother. But me a MPP supporter. More MPP camp. Na me wo. Me pesi nyina e baako. Oh, me pesi nyina who say we are fighting together.
Nti nya ba omi anya Kennedy nya Brian Champon.
One person will win the elections. Obia wo be support. Obia wo the one afa. A lot of people may know where I stand in politics. But I'm just saying that for the sake of this conversation, we do me what party no afa. Let's come together in oneness. And I say, and you may say, you're friend say, Kwame Penny, Penny for the Omsa Kebu. You describe him still as a leading member of the party. We can ask him because we are going to walk up again. But Omishan crying. Omishan crying. Because I was saying, the piano, every pleasing. Go for like Saturday almost support him. Kwame gave Bahama the chance, the score, so he's going to win the elections. And to the back, one worker say you open the win elections, no, and not only member, or still member. And when they are describing him, they still describe him as a leading member of the party, and not a leading member. He only contested elections and he was disqualified because they encouraged to the pain. And he was disqualified. And I remember now if it was 10 years, or go there to Mosachi. And the end of the good remember you. Now, your customer now say 7.3. Yeah, my minority. Yeah, the air party won't carry home. Because one of you always dance to the team or the government. And don't carry home. Minority not taking decisions, say about walking out. Listen to me. Budget now about carrying it was not a budget too. Media no. He only came to read a statement. One maybe before we are. Back no buy no be kind budget match no we buy no be kind statement.
Okay.
Statement do yan trawa den elusu. Enu nti no o criticize the dey say no. E criticize ke obi asori a was leading member no or ke say yan collect ya yan collect kwa be kind. We have read a lot. Because na the name of party no pedifo nim. We have read a lot. I've asked a lot of questions. And you know, that be in the name of them we are penny for, and there be a them can go here. Penny be the penny be can here. In collecting Jimmy penny for answer. Is that the case? No!
Right,
this party must succeed. MPP, we must succeed at all costs. We have to come together as one people. Forget about what will happen tomorrow. Yeah, who say the MPP is the party for young people. MPP is the party for the future. Yeah, as young people, no, you're Dachi MPP. We forget about Pedibia and Colebia, Sebi Kafrache, Sebi Manima, or can't say whom our party, no. Let's focus on rebuilding the party. Yeah, party, yeah.
But rebuilding the Kennedy camp, Baumia camp,
and I make us say it is not good. It is a main shank of boss. Forget about them. Let's look at the oneness. You see, yeah, let's look at how we can unify the party. So, yeah, party, you're stronger than any force be him. And that is why I may say young people in Penufo, in Pokra, in Mrewa, Mwambia, Moa, Agyapong party, no, Mumma, Wayne, Kamu, Muntio, be a Agyapong party, no, will be a prophet of doom, forget about him. A bit more they are dancing to the tune of the current government. Omudia Boshibum,
about me and people
before.
Wow.
Obo say Penny Football Hapa, Omaya Mose, and we MPP Omaya near two of these MPP leaders, leading member of the MPP. Sebi Kafrache, Nyahu Tamakulu, Wakaza Bafa MPP Hula. Nay, describe them say leading member, or no leading member. onye leading member who take me come be maka I leading member way somebody who don't support the see who support the party no owo mo come who tight
of course
a political party be see define say go to the political science department and obi as the government they define the political party in Chao. The definition of political party be paraphrasing. It's a group of people with the same idea who have come together. Wow, they have the same orientation idea and who have come together to fight and win political power through elections. To implement their policies and programs. It is or no political party no obi a Micheal sebedwani group no one ado pe bae. It nyina ye dia akoma papa ene ye kabom ni afom party no. Young people won't tell me they make no e boy nyina Montum penifo a omo so there where you say where you say that be a party no boy outo e penifo be better radio so no boy outo omo TV so a omo nhye nkolan kran omo boy outo na party na say mu hu that be a party na say wo opani a wo say ofie nsaye what be sure by man o irimpo ofie. You don't do that. This party is the only party we have. The Dankwa Buzia Dombo party pa grant omudo musika papa bi sika hojo sika papa bi eto wo bobra e ma party no. At that time they were team merchants omudo musika, they were being fought by the colonial regime and almost struggle to support the party. Chango for nyina omudo kra for them party no. Internet e dey na sia obi sorry ya e no keka kansam na se dey party no mu chiche na ye preach there be it's not important. The man tell me about be sremo munya na me wa me ne muka no ha mu nya mpanifo no mu kasa tia party no mu nya nkola mu kasa tia party no na ye nyina ye nkambom ye hu say MPP ye party no a force and when we are united I'm telling you for sure 2028 election it will be a done deal for us. And that's why here me say obia party no party ni ye no sorry come back party no sorry e mo bia anmu abam
Abusia honorable watch be fi ni akwakote ni nsam na ba na mesre so obeja wadwenche e wo comment section ho dem am na afi wo mi subscribe button no so e too much gb ya kai so de be wo ne be ka ho sa no upload ni to mo ape wo ne first person ya won sa ebidi kan ka bi all the social media platforms so ko wa e too much gh oh subscribe no like it na wa share na wo nya bi so enye bi ahwe dark gold enemy din makram.